Hi there, this is Angel from AirCorp. One of the reasons why Hong Kong is such a good place to register a company is because of its attractive tax system. But many of the people who contact us are confused about how things work in practice. So let me try to make things clear. The basic principle is that Hong Kong has a territorial tax regime. What does it mean? Well, simply that Hong Kong only taxes revenues that originate from Hong Kong. So to put it simple, if your company does business in Hong Kong, it will pay tax in Hong Kong. But if your company does business outside of Hong Kong, then it's not subject to tax in Hong Kong. The fact of using a Hong Kong company to do business outside of Hong Kong and not having to pay tax in Hong Kong is known as the offshore profits tax exemption. Now, in real life, every day we have people who ask us how they can take advantage of this. Well, it's actually very simple. You only need to follow a few steps. The first one is to incorporate your company. This is a very simple process. We can help. This is what we do all day. Just reach out by email or WhatsApp on our website. Usually, our clients insist that they want an offshore company and not a local one. But actually, at the time of registering a company, there's no such difference. A Hong Kong company is a Hong Kong company. It is later at the time of tax filing, and that will be decided if your company is offshore or not. The second step is very simple. Just start and run your business. Simply make sure to carefully keep all your company records, such as your suppliers and your clients' invoices, your contracts, accounting records, and so on. These will be required at the end of your first financial year to get offshore tax exemption. Now, the third and the most important step is to successfully obtain your profits tax exemption. So how can you get it? Contrary to what some service providers say, there's no pre-examination or pre-qualification for which you need to pay first. Actually, the way it works is that at the end of your first financial year, you need to prepare the financial statements of your company and get them audited by a chartered public accountant of a CPA. Based on your company financial statements, you fill in a profit tax return, and it is in this profit tax return form that you need to indicate if your business is offshore or onshore. Of course, we can help you with the whole process. But please do not get tricked into paying some kind of service fees to someone at the time you register a company to pre-qualify for the offshore tax exemption. This is completely bullshit. Now, to conclude this video, what are the tips to maximize the chance that you are not taxable in Hong Kong? 1. You should operate your business from outside of Hong Kong, meaning that your employees and directors shall not be in Hong Kong. Number 2, your suppliers, your customers must be outside of Hong Kong. 3, to the extent possible, avoid having goods that you shall transiting through Hong Kong. If you follow these principles, you should have no problem being exempted from tax in Hong Kong. Of course, the government will check from time to time that you meet exemption criteria, but pretty much 100% of our clients are successful. That is pretty much it for today. If you're thinking of starting a company in Hong Kong and want more information on the profit tax exemption, just contact us as usual. Till next time, stay tuned.